It's Tiki the Elephant here to play. In her pink sweater she's slaying the day. Big dreams, big laughs, she's got it all. Subscribe and join the jungle call.
Tiki the Elephant. A is for alligator, swimming through the swamp with my big, strong jaws. Roar. B is for bear, climbing trees and eating honey all day long. Meow. C is for cat, pouncing, playing, and curling up for a nap. Splash. D is for dolphin, leaping high and riding the waves. Stomp. E is for elephant, swinging my trunk and marching along. Sly and quick. F is for fox, dashing through the forest with my fluffy tail. Stretch. G is for giraffe, reaching high for tasty leaves on the tallest trees. Splash. H is for hippo, floating in the river and staying cool. I is for iguana, blending in and climbing trees so sneakily. J is for jaguar, racing through the jungle at lightning speed. K is for kangaroo, hopping high across the outback. L is for lion, king of the jungle, strong and brave. M is for monkey, climbing trees and munching on bananas. N is for narwhal, the unicorn of the sea. O is for owl, wide-eyed, and watching all through the night. P is for penguin, sliding on ice and swimming fast. Q is for quail, darting through the grass with my little feathers. R is for rabbit, bouncing through the meadow with my fluffy tail. S is for snake, winding and twisting through the grass. T is for tiger, with stripes so bold, I run and pounce with mighty speed. U is for urchin, hiding in the sea with my tiny spines. V is for vulture, gliding through the sky, watching below. W is for walrus, with my big tusks and a splash in the sea. X is for X-ray fish, glowing in the deep blue sea. Y is for yak, climbing mountains all day long. Z is for zebra, galloping free across the savannah. You are amazing. Now, you can practice your ABCs anytime. If you want to keep learning, singing, and having fun, don't forget to click subscribe and hit the bell so you never miss a new video.